Dear students, you are welcome in chemistry class by KK Singh Minerva Public School. Today we will start a new chapter in chemistry, the matter in our chemical equation and chemical reaction. First I am taking chemical reaction. Chemical reaction, what is chemical reaction? It is the process in which, what is chemical reaction? Chemical reaction is the process in which new substance with new chemical properties are formed. New substances or substance with new chemical properties are formed. The substance or substances that take parts in chemical reaction are called reactants, and the new substance which are formed after chemical reaction is or are called products. For example, if hydrogen gas is burned in presence of oxygen, hydrogen gas is burned in presence of oxygen. Keep in mind, hydrogen is combustible gas, not supporter of combustion, but oxygen is supporter of combustion but does not burn. When hydrogen gas burns in presence of oxygen, it produces water vapor. Here, hydrogen and oxygen are reactants and water is product. I have already mentioned that new substance with new chemical property. Here, hydrogen is combustible gas but not supporter of combustion. Oxygen is supporter of combustion but not combustible. When these two gases combine chemically or burn hydrogen in presence of oxygen, it produces water which is neither combustible nor supporter of combustion, and it is also liquid, not gas. That is the new substance water which has entirely different properties, chemical properties from hydrogen and gas. Hydrogen and oxygen is formed. Now we will see chemical equation. But before going to chemical equation, to provide a space, I am going to erase it. Chemical equation. Chemical equation is the way of expressing a chemical reaction with the help of symbol and formula. For example, when zinc reacts with dilute sulfuric acid, it produces hydrogen gas, Zn, which is the symbol of zinc, plus H2SO4, which is the formula of sulfuric acid. When dilute sulfuric acid react with metal zinc, it produces zinc sulfate, ZnSO4, plus hydrogen gas, H2 gas. Here hydrogen, it is formula of hydrogen gas H2. This formula for zinc sulfate, sulfuric acid and zinc. This representation is known as the chemical equation. Again, if we heat potassium chlorate, KClO3, potassium chlorate, if heated, it will produce potassium chloride, KCl plus O2, oxygen gas. This is also a chemical equation, and in this way we can find out, we can write in lot number of chemical equation as necessary. I am giving only two examples here. Now we will explain what are the characteristics of chemical reaction. But before going to chemical reaction, I will going to erase it. characteristics of chemical reaction. These are the characteristics that indicates whether the chemical reaction is taking place or not. First, evolution of gas. Example, KClO3. When potassium chlorate is heated, it will form potassium chloride and oxygen gas evolve. Second, change in color. When copper sulfate solution, which is blue in color, blue color, when blue colored copper sulfate solution is treated with iron, gray color solid, it will produce iron sulfate, FeSO4 solution, green color, and brown copper Cu solid, reddish brown. Thus we see that when blue colored copper sulfate solution is treated with grey colored iron, solid iron, it will form another solution, iron sulfate solution, which is green in color, and reddish brown copper settle down in the bottom of the container. Thus this color changes from blue to green and gray to reddish brown. This indicates that there is taking a chemical reaction is taking place. Another, change in state. H2, it is a gas, plus O2, it is also a gas. These two gases combine together chemically, that is, when hydrogen burns in presence of oxygen, it forms H2O liquid. Another example, NH3, ammonia gas. When react with hydrogen chloride gas, HCl gas, it produces NH4Cl, ammonium chloride, which is solid. This is the example where two gases combine to form a solid. Keep in mind, this is an example where two gases combine to form a solid. Thus, here change of state has taken place. Two gases combine together to form a solid. Here two gases combine to form a liquid. This indicates that their chemical reaction is taking place. Another, change in temperature. Suppose CaO, calcium oxide, when treated with water, it will form calcium hydroxide, plus a lot of heat is produced. That makes the temperature higher. That increase the temperature of the reactants. Here the change in temperature has taken place. This indicates that the chemical reaction has taken place. Another, formation of precipitate. When barium chloride solution, BaCl2, barium chloride solution is treated with sulfuric acid, it forms barium sulfate, white precipitate, white Cardiff precipitate plus HCl. White Cardiff precipitate. This indicates the formation of white Cardiff precipitate. The formation of white Cardiff precipitate, which is insoluble in hydrochloric acid, indicates that a chemical reaction has taken place. Note that all these characteristics never occur together. In some chemical reaction, gas evolve. In some chemical reaction, there form that there is change in color. In another chemical reaction, it may change solid to liquid or liquid to solid or gas solid, means change of state. In some chemical reaction, there must be, note that either heat is evolved or heat is observed in every chemical reaction. Therefore, there must be a chemical heat in change in every chemical reaction. It may be slight in some and large in some others. Formation of precipitate is also change of state, whether it is a solid form. Now we will study the balancing chemical equation. Balancing of chemical equation in chemistry is very important, but we will see in another part of the video.